got a feeling that today's gonna be a wonderful day. All right, man, what's good? Today's CPI days, okay? Today's CPI days. If you guys don't know what is CPI, it is a rather powerful news event which will cause the market to rip, liquidate most of the time both sides, and then can mess up the market completely for the rest of the day. And also before, so do not trade right before it, do not trade right after it, okay? And be cautious, okay? Be cautious because it can literally mess up the markets. But yeah, man, soon, like later, I'm gonna live trade with my Discord. But the session will open at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, the New York Stock Exchange. But in my country, it's like a little bit later, okay? But regardless, I will update you guys when if I will trade, okay? Because I'm gonna check the markets a little bit and do my analysis, okay? Because the CPI days is no joke, okay? It's no joke. All right, man. So I'm gonna go now live trade with my Discord members, and I'm gonna explain everything what we're gonna do, and then we're gonna live trade, and let's make some money. Let's get it, man. And this is what I exactly mean about our winners being bigger than our losses. Beautiful trade today, 1-to-2 restart ratio. Everything was alerted and everything was live traded with the Discord, as you can see. Boom, I just closed the stream as well, the call. Man, beautiful trade. So man, you just saw it right there. Beautiful trade, $900 made today. Everyone in the Discord got paid. By the way, if you want to join, you can join from the link in the description. And also, if you want to join for free, there's free course, free education, free community, everything that you need. Free lucky wheel, you can spin it every single day, win PS5, win, or is it like Airport Maxes, free spin every single day, everything that you need. But yeah, man, now I'm super satisfied with the trade that I took. And guess what, guys? Guess what? I'm gonna go to this nearby shop, and guess what I'm gonna look for? I'm gonna look, do they have this one microphone, wireless microphone for these vlogs? But that's really good because I just made a lot of good money. So it feels good to spend it now a little bit. Obviously, when I make money now, it doesn't come straight to my bank. I need to withdraw it. But mainly I'm allowing it to compound, scale up. All right, so like I told you, I'm gonna go to this nearby shop where they sell a lot of like electronic shit, like TVs, graphic cards, computer parts, everything that you need. Like literally, it's a big ass warehouse. I'm gonna go there, and I think they have the microphone that I'm looking for in stock, and I'm gonna check it out. But the microphone is literally just gonna be like, for some vlogs and just using it sometimes. But let's see how it goes. It's like wireless, wireless like here, but we'll see how it goes, okay? But it could be pretty cool for some videos, okay? So look at all of these equipment. Pretty cool, man. All right, man, so the microphone that I'm looking is Rode Wireless, like small. I just Googled it, watched on YouTube. I'm gonna go find it and get the hell out of here. Bro, this place literally has everything. It's pretty cool, right? Bro, imagine pulling up with this one. This is crazy. This is like record some Hollywood films with this one. Now I'm just playing, but look at this. Look at this, bro. Can y'all see in there? All right, man, so I think it's this one. I mean, that's the first thing I saw when I opened up Google or YouTube. They say it's pretty good, so I'm just gonna check it out. I also bought some pizza. About that, I'm gonna eat the pizza, and then I'm gonna try that microphone out. I can actually show it to you. I don't know if do I need to charge it, but let's see what's gonna happen. If it's not good, then it's not good. If it's good, it's good. You feel me? But yeah, I'm gonna actually go outside after this one too with my friends, see a couple of friends, say what's up. But really calm day so far. $900 total, like on average, like little fees obviously when you take a trade. But $900, cool. So I just opened up the case. These are the microphones. Came with a wallet. Man, look, it even came with free candy. So that's cool. And yeah, man, I'ma check these out. Let's see how it goes. As you can see, and as you can hear, it's not bad. But what I did realize whilst I was opening it, I was opening the case, I was, trying to figure out how this shit works. I realized that, I will not probably use this every single day in my vlogs or in my videos because I thought these two microphones were just like, you have two microphones, that's cool. But no, I have to attach it to this shit and then I have to put it here. Look, man, I'm not a complainer. good quality, good quality. Shout out to Rode, not a sponsorship, but you know, it's kind of complex. I have to just attach the second one and this one and this one, and I have to just, you know, make sure that they're connected. And you know, maybe one, you know, sometimes I'm not gonna return it or anything. Like the price is not the problem, but the problem is that it is kind of complex. Not complex, but it's kind of, you know, I have to do a bunch of stuff. I just want to get I really just want to provide the value and be done. But I'm just gonna keep it. Maybe sometimes I will record with it, sometimes I will not, sometimes yes, sometimes that, you know. But now I know, and yeah, I'm not gonna return it. I'm gonna use it sometimes, but not that often. But you know, still a good quality, right? But now I'm gonna go home. Now I'm gonna go outside, see my friends, say what's up, and then I'll come back, edit this video, and then I will post it to you. All right. So that's what's up. So yeah. By the way, guys, this is a test. This is a test. This is a test. This is a microphone test. Test, test, test. If you can hear me, that means you passed the test. And if you can hear me, that means you're gonna become profitable. If you want to get access to the free course, free Discord, then all you need to do is click the link in the description, and that's how you become profitable for free. Maybe I'm autistic, bro. I don't know. Alright, man, so we're out here. Bro, I want to ask you something. You may be in something called a paralysis analysis. You've tried to learn a bunch of stuff, you know, tried to learn a bunch of stuff, but you still keep procrastinating. If you are not profitable in trading, then do not try to focus on e-commerce. Do not try to focus on copywriting. Focus on one single thing at a time, one business model, okay? Because I remember, you know, I used to try a bunch of different stuff, but what really got me into actual profits was me focusing on one thing and one thing only, okay? Again, you cannot be focused on trading and e-com and copywriting if you're not profitable in any of those, okay? Focus on one, master that, and then you can focus on another, okay? For me, I have been profitable for 1.5 years in trading. Then, you know, 6 months ago, I started to record a little bit videos on YouTube, okay? This is the only two things that I do. And the YouTube part is just minimal, okay? But it does make me a little bit money, not much, nothing compared to trading. Today I made $900 with trading. YouTube barely makes me anything. So, you know, I mastered trading. Now it's all about capital. And now, you know, I'm focused on two things, okay? That's what you need to do. Focus on one thing, then master it, and then two. Alright, man, so now I'm back home. I know I kind of skipped a little bit, my bad, that's my bad. But you know what, now I'm back home. It was kind of chill, you know. I wasn't so long outside, you know, say what's up and all. But now, guess what I'm gonna do? You guessed it right. I'm gonna edit the video for you guys. And man, if you really want to take your trading to the next level, click the first link in the description, okay? It's completely for free. Course, community, everything that you need, all right? Peace out.